Four centers. Science stream is in MAS Madhav Kamath High Secondary School, Zuari Nagar, where 401 students are going to answer their exam in MAS High Secondary School from Vasco. St. Andrew High Secondary School, the seating arrangement for commerce stream, wherein 448 students are going to appear for their exam. In Keshav Shruti, we are having 328 students along with the CWSN students who are going to answer from the arts stream. And in our DPR High Secondary School, we are having vocational stream wherein 212 students are going to answer. DPR High Secondary School is also having the strong room for this high secondary examination. In this regard, we would like to make a humble appeal to all the students and parents to kindly take a serious note of the seating arrangement, because at last moment the students should not confused about their seating arrangement is concerned. So ह्या सगळ्या गजालीची तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान या भुरग्यांनी नोंद घेवची आणि प्रत्येक पालकान आपापल्या भुरग्यांक ह्या स्पॉटाचेर म्हणजे एग्जामिनेशन सेंटराचेर टायमा पयलीं तांकां हाडून पावोवचें, सो दॅट तांकां कसल्याच प्रकारचे टायमाक लागून प्रॉब्लेम जावचे ना हाची काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा. सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार MASan आमगेले सगळे सायन्साचे भुरगे जितले आसा ते MASan एग्जाम आन्सर करतले. कॉमर्साचे जितले भुरगे आसा तितले भुरगे तुगेले सेंट एंड्रुसान आन्सर करतले. आर्ट्साचे भुरगे जे आसा ते केशव श्रुती हाय सेकंडरीन आन्सर करतले दाबोली. आणि वोकेशनल व्यावसायीक जे भुरगे आसा ते तुगेले DPR हाय सेकंडरी स्कुलान आन्सर करतले. हाज्या भायर फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकंड लँग्वेज जी आसा कोंकणी लँग्वेज 2, फ्रेंच लँग्वेज 2, पोर्चुगीज लँग्वेज 2 आणि मराठी लँग्वेज 2 ह्या तिनूय स्ट्रिमीन जे पळय मराठी, कोंकणी, फ्रेंच, पोर्चुगीज जे भुरगे आन्सर करपाचे आसा ते सगळे भुरगे त्या पेपरा दिसा DPR हाय सेकंडरी स्कुलान येवन आन्सर करतले, कारण ते थोडे थोडे भुरगे आसा आनी ताका लागून आमकां ते एकूच सेंटरा अंडर ते सगळे एग्जाम घेवचे पडटा. अशा प्रकारची ही सुविधा आमी वास्को सेंटरा खातीर केल्या. तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी हेची वेवस्थीतपणे नोंद घेवची आनी आपल्या पद्दतीन जे कितें तांकां शक्य आसा पेरंट्सांक किंवा आपल्या स्टुडंट्सांक ते तेणें आमकां कोऑपरेट करचें अशें एक हंबल रिक्वेस्ट आनी अपील एज अ कंडक्टर फॉर वास्को सेंटर हांव सुनील शेट करपाक सोदतां. आनी हेजे पली कडेन आमी एज फार एज द सेक्युरिटी इज कन्सर्न पुलीस पर्सनलाकूय आमी कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स आमी करपाचें आसा जेंचो आमकां सेक्युरिटी पर्पजा खातीर गरज लागतली. मागीर PWDच्या रोड्स जे रोड्स आसा पळय फोडाफोडी चल्ल्या कित्याक कटींग ऑफ द रोड चल्ला आनी कितें काम चल्लां डिगींग ऑफ द रोड चल्लां हें ह्या टेन्युरा भितर जावचें न्हू म्हणून तांकांय आमी चिंतले. अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सर्वीस आमकां मेळपाक जाय ह्या सेंटरा भितर, अनइंटरप्टेड वॉटर सप्लाय आमकां मेळपाक जाय. ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली वेवस्थीतपणे जावच्यो आनी खंयच्याय पद्दतीन त्या भुरग्यांक आमचें इनकन्विनियन्स जावचें न्हू म्हणून ह्या सगळ्या हेची काळजी आमकां घेवपाक जाय. आनी ह्या यंत्रणा जी आसा आमची सरकारी यंत्रणा आसा त्या सरकारी यंत्रणाचें आमकां सहकार्य मेळटलें अशी हांव आस्त बाळगितां. आनी परत एकदां सगळ्यांक अपील करता की प्रत्येकान आमकां ही एग्जाम सुरळीतपणान कंडक्ट करपा खातीर सहकार्य करचें अशें हांव नमळायेचें मागणें कंडक्टर ह्या नात्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक ह्या प्रेस माध्यमांतल्यान करपाक सोदतां. म्हणून परत एकदां तुमी हांगा प्रेस भाव आयले प्रिंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडिया म्हणून तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळजाच्यो खोलायेंतल्यान हांव देव चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आमची मॅडम जेनेटर बरेटो हांगा आसा एज अ ऑब्जर्वर. मॅडम वूड लायक टू से समथींग ऑन दीस ओकेजन यू कॅन कायंडली.
Thank you for being here, especially the press, to let our students who are answering their Goa Board, Standard 12 exams, to know where the sub-center is, where they are going to answer. As the conductor, Sri Sunil Sheth, has already told, where are the various sub-centers. We will see that the examination is conducted smoothly. A request to maybe the print media, the traffic police, and the bus operators, especially to see that the students going in their respective sub-centers are not delayed for their examination. Also, a request to all the candidates who are going to answer various sub-centers to be in time. As ma'am has said, practically the first bell is always given out half an hour before the paper is scheduled to begin. So all the candidates are taken just half an hour before in the respective halls. Please try to make it there. And as Sir has specified, the second language Hindi will be held in the respective centers, but the others like Konkani, French, Portuguese, and Marathi will be held in Deep Vihar. So the candidates need to keep it in mind. And from my side, from the PR Higher Secondary School, all support will be rendered to the conductor, to the Goa board, to the observer, and all the personnel who are involved in this board examination. Wishing all the candidates who are going to appear for these exams all the very best. So also all the deputy conductors of various centers. Let us all work hand in hand to see that the Vasco Center conducts all the examination under it with a very fair and smooth manner. Thank you all.
I would like to thank and congratulate our conductor, Sri Sunil Sheth, for preparing and planning this examination so meticulously. And as an observer, I will make sure that the sanctity, fairness, and the smooth conduct of the examination will be maintained. Also, my humble request to the parents and the students um, to be present much in advance. It's because that you should not get delayed for your examination. So you need to check your the time factor, and accordingly you need to be present at your center. So thank you very much.